game is you have to. There's like monkeys inside this tree, and the objective is to. You have to get these sticks out from the tree, and then whoever gets the least monkey wins. Okay, let's go. Roll this dice. You have to roll this dice and pick a card. I know you cannot see my dad. Alright. You guys really, the toy is actually super tiny. So we're actually gonna edit it. Okay. Oh, I know. There you go. It goes to the big guys. Because it's so. We're actually gonna stop this for. Okay. Take one orange. Hello.
No.
You can't. Really can't actually. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Lucky. Green. Green. I got this. Okay. You're killing me. You can. Green. Again. Oh!
No.
Are you serious? Okay, it's blue.
Yeah.
No. I still have one. There you go. Orange again. Scrap. We gotta close this. Those. Come on, those. Hey, stop! Okay. It's orange again. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Green again. Green again.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Wait, why? I just got one monkey. But I got green. Okay.
Yeah.
I immediately got two. Are you serious?
Good.
Wait, this is mine. Green.
Yeah.
You got one. Blue. Yep. I also have to see the camera. It can't be more than 4. Oh, okay, I got green. You guys cannot see that in the camera. But green. There's no more green.
Yeah.
Red.
No.
Wait, why do I have this? Green again. There's nothing good to it. Oh,
Yeah. Good.
Okay, got it. You have to also see the camera. It's not so far. It's green.
Oh no.
Oh my god, there's nothing good in green. Wait, that's so much. That's 3. You sure that's a good idea? It's 3.
Oh.
I need 2. You got 2, okay. But I got 2 too. Wait, you got 3. Okay, I'm with you. Okay, blue again. Wait, what? I got 2 in a row. Are you serious?
Monkey jump.
It's a monkey bomb. It's gonna collapse. Micah! We're going to so. Blue again. There's so much good luck in these guys. And she just can't see it. Blue. Blue! Yes! Oh, wait a minute. No?
Oh.
I just got one.
Good.
Are you serious? I
Ah.
got 2. Are you kidding me? And you only got 3. Okay, I have to see the camera too. Not screen. There's nothing else. Okay, me. Red. Lucky red. Green. Green again. Blue.
Red.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I just got 2 and it just got my gum, okay? Okay. Red. Are you serious? You're so lucky. Are you serious? You're so lucky. You just got 1. Why did you do it fast? Here, my turn. Oh, wait, I have to do this. Red. Okay, super unlucky. You didn't saw this. Are you seriously? My dad didn't saw it, guys. Blue.
Wow.
That's so much. Ah. Please. Please what? Okay, no, that's cheating. That's yours.
Oh.
Okay, blue.
Ya.
Oh, you're serious?
Apa itu 8 jam? 70.
I got 3. You're
Yeah.
serious? I got 3 in a row. Are you serious? Wait, there's no luck except red. Okay. Here you go. Blue. Red.
Orange.
You can also call that red if you guys want.
Aduh.
You got 1. Dangle. The game of dangle. Okay, green. Green again. Okay.
Okay. Two monkey.
I got 2 monkeys. I need you to get a blue. Oh wait, that's wrong. I got a blue wrong. Red.
What?
Okay. Wait, there's only 1 red. Wait, guys, I might win that. No, that's cheating! You're a cheater. That's so cheater. Down. Okay. Now, there's only 2 sticks left. That means. Yeah, you get the biggest one. You get the longest one. That's so much money. You have to pull it. You have to pull it for them. You have to pull it. No, you have to pull it. Oh my god, that's so much. That's so much money. I can't remember. I got. Wait. I think this is just. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I immediately lost again. I keep losing this game. Okay, let's play the other game this time. Okay. Now, because I lost this game, now we have to play this other game. The penguin game. This one. No, we don't need that. I have to turn off the camera for that. Okay, now. Okay, we done? We done? Right? We done? We done? Are we done? We done? I said we done? Okay, we're not done yet. Okay, we done? Okay, now let's play. Okay, you first. Here is. You have to spend this time, guys. This is rule. Okay, there you go. You guys can actually see us play. You can just smack these monkeys. Come on!
Okay.
It's so long. Two? Oh wait, I want one blue. You have to pick a color. It says blue, one blue. It says you have to blue. Is it one white, one white? But if it falls more, and like if it is, you need one white and one blue. You can still do it. I think so. Okay, my turn. Okay, I got one white. There you go.
There you go.
You got one blue again.
Okay.
Wait, what? You just got white again? Okay, one blue. Smacky, 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 smacky. Smack, smack, smack. Get it. That was so long. You guys might be wondering why am I actually looking this time, guys? One white and one blue.
One white.
And one blue. I'll have. Ingin kan? Okay. I'll have.
Oh.
I just like ruin it, right? Wait, what? This one? Okay. There you go. There you go. The last one. Okay, one blue again.
Blue.
Okay. Wait, that's cheating! Why did you do that? Yanni! Why did you do that? That's cheating! Peter!
No.
Kenapa didorong tadi tuh? Are you serious? Okay, we can fix that. Okay, so that means I have one.
Whoa.
Oh my god, that was gross. Okay, now your turn. Spin again. Oh my god! Look at that. One win. That's so hard. The penguin. The penguin will just get hurt. There you go. Okay, one white. Okay, two white. You just got two in a row. You guys can actually see I'm really. Whoa! Spin again. Spin again. Okay, one blue and one white. I think you're probably gonna die. I think they're both gonna die. Please die, please die, please die, please. Please die. Don't you dare smack it like that was no tap smack. Okay, that lost. The first one that means I was going to give the winner of this Pokemon. Okay. Nobody wins, so bye.